Hello, welcome back to my channel Rock and Roll Rider. Today is our third day in Thailand. So, yeah, let us start Thailand part 3. So, today we're gonna rent a bike and explore the island and explore some good food as well. So, anyways, for now, we'll be heading out. There's a waterfall in just 1 kilometer vicinity. So we are going there. We'll be taking Kanya's cycle itself and we'll be heading out. So yeah, let's go out.
Yeah.
I think last ride on our beautiful cycle. Around 11 o'clock we'll be renting a motorcycle. So till then, we're going towards 𝗗𝗏𝗀𝗶𝗺𝗏𝗺𝗏 waterfalls. 1 kilometer from here. We have full bakery items. What is bakery? This is not bakery. Chips, no. Mrs. Rock and Roll Rider is not able to sit behind. It's supposedly poking her ass, it seems. So she wants to come walking. Such a beautiful setting. Tomorrow we booked activities. I hope it doesn't rain, man. If it's gonna rain, they're gonna cancel snorkeling and all the water activities. How far is it, man? Or it takes so long for 1 kilometer. We reached 𝗗𝗏𝗀𝗏𝗏𝗺 waterfall. Everything in Thai. Can't understand jack shit. But it looks like it's some holy place for these guys. Anyways, let's go inside. Ooh, look at the catfish, dude. These are not catfish. They're some huge monsters. ये फिश फूड का डालेंगे नहीं जब फिश को डालना है लियो They're selling fish food for 10 baht. I'm gonna buy and feed the fish. Do I have change? Yes, I guess I have. Fish food?
No, fish food.
This one? I can feed them?
Fish food.
One.
One.
Yeah. Fishy steak. No one seems to care about the food I throw, man. वो थोड़े 10 रुपए वेस्ट हो गए क्या?
यहाँ तक खाना पड़ेगा ना फिश का कौन खा लेंगे कम?
फिश का खाना नहीं वो ऊपर से गिरा था झाड़ से कि फिश का खाना अच्छा है
फिश का दे देखो उठाओ फिश का
तुम्हें उठा को देखो मैं क्या उठाऊं
देखो
ले तुम्हें खा लियो Full party. Catfish party happening here. क्या बोले? वीडियो में गिर गएगा तो फेमस होगा तुम्हें। Very hungry. Let us go try some authentic Thai. It's pronounced Thai, not Thai. I don't know why they added H, but it's Thai. Thai breakfast. Let me teach you guys how to pronounce a few Thailand cities. Thailand cities, sorry. It's not Thai, it's Thailand. Or Thailand. H is kind of silent. Maybe in English, H can be counted, but in the local language, it's Thailand. So yeah, P-A-T-T-A-Y, A. For a normal English speaker, it's Pattaya. No. For a Thai guy, it is Pattaya. Luckily, Bangkok is the same. Anyways, we've reached our ride. We'll have to go have quick breakfast. This place only looks very nice, dude. We'll have breakfast here only and then go check out and head to our next homestay, which is on the other side of the island. Breakfast. Look at the view from my table, man. Let's order some food and get back home. I ordered Thai seafood salad, so trying whole squid for the first time.
Cheers.
Cheers. Wish me luck. Not bad. Just rubbery. Cheers. Bye bye Hillard Waterfalls. So we checked out from Kanya's place. We are going to our next homestay, which is on the other side of the Koh Samui Island. Kanya's sister is dropping us till the bike.
उसमें ड्रॉप कौन सा पियर को करती है वो देखना है।
No, dude, they'll drop you back to the hotel.
और कोई क्या?
Koh Samui is very peaceful. It's very clean, extremely clean. Blue skies, blue sea. Lovely people. Very friendly. My ride for 2 days. BCS. Okay, we're all set now. We're heading to our next homestay on this DCX, Honda DCX bike. Look at my cool ass helmet. Okay, let's ride. Okay, we arrived at our second homestay. It's called 𝗗𝗶𝘀𝗶𝗺𝗏𝗃. There's a cute pool here. There's a black color cat too. Thai people love cats, I guess. Oh, it's pretty deep, man. You can chill aram se. Our second homestay, 𝗗𝗶𝘀𝗃𝗃. I hope I'm pronouncing it wrong. Sorry, I hope I'm pronouncing it correctly. Just a bed, nothing much. But the exteriors are very nice. Thailand is a weed smoking paradise. Look at the weather in Koh Samui Park. Doggy. What's up, doggy?
Okay.